Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to share with you a video on how to add your classes to Khan Academy. Okay, let's get started. So here I am on a teacher's Khan Academy homepage, and their homepage lands them in the Khanmigo, which is the AI tools for teachers, that page. So to get to the place that you want to add classes, you just come right up here to this menu bar and click on classes. Okay, so the way that we're going to do this is we're going to create classes based upon your scheduled classes that appear in Google Classroom. Okay, so to do that, we're going to click on create a class, and then it's going to ask you how you'd like to add your class, and you're going to select this button here next to import your class from Google Classroom and click on connect Google Classroom. Okay, so now it wants to authenticate you as a Google user, a Google account user. So you're going to click your Union City account, and then if your password is already saved, click on next or type in your password for your Google account for Union City. Okay, and then once it gets to this page, you'll be able to select your class. But for some of you, if you haven't added classes to your account before, so this would be the first time, it may ask you to have permission to access certain features of your Google account. You're going to have to check off those boxes to allow Khan Academy to be able to access those parts of your Google account in order for your class to be created. And then once you check off those boxes and click continue, you'll land here where it says add new class. All right, so now I'm going to click on select a class, and I'm going to choose her English Language Arts 209 class, and I'm going to click on next. So what it's doing now is it's inviting your students to sign up to your class using their email, their Google email account. Now, since we don't allow our students to access their Google email accounts in grades K through 8, I'm going to show you the way that you need to get your students into your class in Khan Academy, and that is by using a link, a URL link, and a class code. So let's close out of this, or we can click on see your class if you'd like. Okay, so now there is your students, and it's an email, right? So you can delete all of these because these students aren't going to come over that way. So clicking on delete, you could do that. I wish that you could do it all at once, but it doesn't seem to allow us to do that. But I'm just going to show you once. So then coming back up, you'll see at the top right, share your class code. Okay? Or you can click on add new students, one or the other. Let me just see something. If I click, no, okay. So either you click on add new students or you click on share class code. It's going to bring you to the same place that we want to go to. And that is students join with a class link. Okay. So the one that it initially did was invite your Google Classroom with to invite your students with email. That's what it initially does when you connect your Google Classroom. But like I said, students don't have email, so that's not going to work. Or you could take the time and create your student accounts, which is not something I would suggest because it just takes longer and you'd have to create their username and create their passwords. So best to have your kids join with a link. So clicking on that, you have the actual link that the students need to go to. So you can copy that and you can paste it in Schoology for your students to access in your course that you're adding in Khan Academy. And then underneath that link, you can give them this code. And once they do that, they will be added to your class. So you can kind of do that all in one session, in one, 5 minutes, beginning of class together. So everybody does it and everybody is in your class. Okay? So this has been a video on how to add students to your class in Khan Academy. Okay? I hope this helps, guys. Have a great day.